Hi, right, let me explain to you how to use this fully customizable Microsoft PowerPoint template. And I've used Slide Masters to help you whip up your presentation really quickly. Now you can upload this to Google Drive and it will convert to Google Slides if you prefer to use that. So first of all, you get a couple of instruction pages, and this one is how to add a new slide. I suggest, as it says here, that before you do anything, you might want to make a copy just in case something happens. These are the slide template options. So you can see that these two cater for differentiated lessons. The walk fit would be your easiest activities, the yoga fit harder, and the CrossFit harder again. In addition, there are blank ones, although these two here, you can see there, they still have the home button on, and I'll explain that in a minute. There's also a totally blank slide option. This page here helps you add hyperlinks to your cover page so that when you click on the buttons on your cover page, it will take you to the slide you want. Here's the explanation of the home button. So this is a hyperlinked button, and it takes you back to your cover page, so that's this one here, but it only works in presentation mode. There is a way to get it to work in editing mode if you want to do that. Otherwise you can just leave it. So here we are at the cover page. Now let's do something up here. Everybody knows I love Blood Diamond, so let's start creating. So the templates allow you just to type in everything where you need it, so it's all done for you. You don't have to do any formatting at all. Now we want to add some slides, so I'm in my home tab, go to new slide, and then I can choose which of those templates I want to use. So I'm going to choose this one here. Those of you familiar with my glitter and glue series will know this one. And what's this one going to be about? Background to Blood Diamonds. And then I want to create another one, and it might be new slide. I want to have a bit of information about settings, so I'll choose this one. It says activity slide, but I can just put information on it, settings. Now the subtitle there, I don't have to use it, and it won't show up if in presentation mode. And then I want to do a bit of a response thing, so I'll ask the students, what do they think? What do you think? Right, so let's go back to our cover page now. These can be typed into, and I'm going to add my first one, which was background to Blood Diamonds. And I want to link this one to that first slide. So let's go right click, link, and then place in this document. Make sure you're on that. And then you can see here, because I've put my title in my slides already, those titles are coming up, so I can easily choose which one I want to send it to. So the one I wanted was background, and you can see it comes up here, so I know that I've chosen the right one, and OK. What was my next one? Settings. And the next one was what do you think? Right. And we'll just add those links. Right click, link, settings, OK. Now I'm hyperlinking the button because I think it's kind of cool to push on a button and it takes me to what I want, but you could hyperlink the text if you want. I explain about that in the instructions. So what do you think? OK. Right, that'll do for now. So I will just move this as I go through from day to day if I'm using one slide a day. And the other thing to remember is that if, for example, I want something added to this, so I want more about the background to blood diamonds, I just can add a slide, anyone I want, and it's not going to affect that hyperlinking because it is linked to the particular slide that I asked it to link to. So I can add as many pages as I want. It's not linking to the number of the slide, it's linking to that title. So you don't have to worry about that. Right, so let's have a look at it in presentation mode and see how it goes. So here we are on our cover page. We're up to here, I know that. And so now I'll just click on my little button and it takes me to background to blood diamonds. Click on my home button and there we go, back to the cover. Oh, today I want to do what do you think? And there we go, back to my home button. So I can easily navigate around and it's just fun. So enjoy. And it's really quick as well. Enjoy the template. All the best.